Balakala Vikas 2024 Art Exhibition, Art Workshops.
Hi everyone, my name is Anand and my daughter Ritika is been interested in drawing right from her childhood. So we got a chance to display her artwork in this exhibition and the top 4 paintings are drawn by her. But this is the first time we are exhibiting her work in an art gallery like this. So hopefully all these workshops also would help them to start thinking in different directions and understand the different art forms that are there. We are very glad that we got an opportunity to come here and interact and see what other kids have also done. So this is a great platform for every kid to come and mingle with each other. I think my kid also would get to know these things and probably she will be interested in one of these.
See you at Balakala Vikas 2024 Art Exhibition, Art Workshop.